Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Certified Digital Tax Accountant Pradhan Khalid, and in this video lesson I'm gonna teach you the basic scenario of Vita. Like Vita basic scenario 7. Craig and Sarah Knox. Got it? So interview notes are Craig age 64 and Sarah age 63 elect to file MFJ. Neither taxpayer is blind. Craig is retired. He received SS benefits and a pension. Craig and Sarah's daughter, Kim, age 21, is a full-time college student in her fourth year of study. Kim is graduating this year with a degree in accounting and doesn't have a felony drug conviction. She received a Form 1098T for 2025. Box 7 was not checked on her Form 1098T for the previous tax year. Kim spent the summer at home with her parents but lived in an apartment near campus during the school year. Kim received a scholarship that paid the full tuition. Craig and Sarah paid the cost of course related books in 2025 not covered by the scholarship. They paid $150 for a parking pass, $6,000 for a meal plan, $950 for textbook purchased at the college bookstore, and $300 for access to an online textbook. Craig and Sarah paid more than half the cost of maintaining a home and support for Kim. Craig and Sarah don't have enough deductions to itemize on their federal tax return. Craig, Sarah, and Kim are US citizens and have valid SS numbers. They all lived in the US for the entire year. If Craig and Sarah receive a refund, they'd like to deposit it into their checking account. Documents from Community Bank show that the routing number is 111-025. The checking account number is 11337890. So these are the information, ladies and gentlemen. And as you know, that we are going to learn this basic scenario. Okay. So this is a SS number. As you know, this is a social security number 12700, and as you can see, the 4 axis. Got it, ladies and gentlemen? So this is the we need to put the last 4 digits on our choice. Got it? So this is the information. You can see this is the date of birth. Let me show you. This is the date of birth of Craig Knox, Sarah Knox date of birth, job title, and then this is a Kim daughter, age of date of birth, and she's got it. So all the rest information is this, as you can see. And this is W2. We're gonna do that. This is W2. This is 1099R, and this is SSA 1099, and this is 1099 DIV. This is 1099T tuition statement. Got it? So remember, when we talk about tuition expenses, so we have got 10,000. We don't need to we cannot include this 150, and we cannot include 6,000, right? We just need to include, as you can see, Craig and Sarah paid the cost of course related books not covered by the scholarship. Course related books 950, and then 300. So we need to add this. It becomes 1250, $1,250. Understand? So let's get started. Let's prepare the tax return. I just log in into TaxSlayer, and then this is basic information. We need to go. Got it? We need to go into the basic information section. Got it? And then first of all, we need to select the filing status, which is, as you know, it says merit filing jointly. Got it? So we select merit filing jointly, and then personal information. We need to add the person Craig Knox. This is the taxpayer. Social security number, date of birth, occupation, and then spouse information Sarah, last name, SSN, date of birth, occupation, and then address, zip code. Understand? State is Illinois, city is Edison. This is daytime telephone number, and then continue. Got it? Then you need to add dependents information, which is Kim Knox. Got it? So Kim, last name Knox, date of birth, SS number. Check box if the dependent doesn't have. So we don't need to check this box, right? We have to uncheck because she has already SSN number. So yes, you need to say yes. Was this individual US citizen, national? Yes. Relationship, as you know, daughter. Number of months this person lived in your home during 2012. Check all. If this dependent was born in 20, you must select 12 months. Okay. This person was over age 18. Yes. Because she lived, her date of birth is 2004. She's over 18. Okay. So continue. We already filled the filing status, information, personal details. Now we are going to move on to the federal section. So income, we need to add the income form W2. I've already put it. So okay. So it is this information is very important because whose form is this? Let's see W2. It says Craig is retired, means the taxpayer is retired and the spouse W2 have. Okay. So this is spouse's Sarah's W2. This is not taxpayer W2. This is not Craig's W2. This is Sarah's W2. So we have to, say spouse, right? Whose form is his spouse? This is standard W2. Okay. Now EIN number, as you can see, the EIN number, all the details you have to enter. Employer name, Sarah Knox, employee full name, right? You need to enter all the information from W2 to this into this software, and then wages, tips, and the compensation you can say 25,020. Okay, and then 12A code is 12A double D. Okay, amount is 2,500 retirement plan. Understand everything you have entered into this software. Okay, now you go there and then state Illinois 25,000. Got it. State wages 25,000. We don't have 7 on box 17, box 18 are empty. So understand, then we need to click continue. Click continue. Then we have schedule B, which is we have 1099 interest or dividend. We have dividend income. Got it. So we need to enter the dividend income. As we know, we get 1099 DIV. Understand, which is this 1099 DIV. We have to enter all the details into this software. Payer's name, payer TIN, country, address, zip code, city, taxpayer. It is taxpayer because as you know, mention Craig Knox. So Craig Knox is a taxpayer. So we have to select taxpayer. We have option joint spouse or taxpayer. It is taxpayer. Dividend, ordinary dividend. We have got two types of dividends, ordinary and qualified. So we have got, we need to check. Okay, qualified dividends also, total ordinary also the same, 2,600, 2,600, as we know. Okay, so we have got this federal income tax. We have $260, box 4. Federal income tax withheld, box 4, $260. That's it. We need to say continue. Continue, because we don't have any interest. We have only dividend. So that's why we only put dividend income. Click continue. Now we have 1099R as well. Understand, 1099R we have. So we have to fill this 1099R we have. This is, so all the information we need to into the software, right? All the information we have. Taxpayer, this is taxpayer, right? Recipient information we have to put. Understand, ladies and gentlemen. we have to leave the boxes empty where it is, because 7, 8, 9 all are empty. Got it? So we already put this. Okay, continue. Did you make any early withdrawal from a retirement account due to qualified disaster? I said no. 19,000. Okay. Now, Social Security benefits, SSA. Now I need to check the Social Security benefits. 15,000, 1,500. This one. 15,000 Social Security. Federal. We don't have. Understand, ladies and gentlemen, federal tax withheld. Social Security benefit, federal spouses information. Social Security 15,500. We can continue. Continue. We already put this. Now we don't have any gamblings. We don't have any cancellation of debt in this case. So we need to click continue. Now we need to go to the deductions, and we have get educator expenses, as you know. You need to go to the deductions, and we need to go to the $1098T. Previous, she received a Form 10 for 20 box 7 was not checked on her Form 10 for the previous tax year. Okay, so we need to go there. We don't have any educator expenses or student loan interest. We have can say education credits, 1098T we have. Did the student receive from the education? Yes. Did the student receive from with box 7 check? No. We need to put the enter the information which we received, 1098T. As you can see, we received this is 1098T we received. Understand, 10 is a scholarship, but extra 1250 is the textbook they purchased. We need to put the EI number, university name, tuition paid 10,000, we already, but extra other qualified expenses 1250 for books, right? They paid 1250 for books. Continue. Some questions, as the American Opportunity Tax Credit, the former hope? No. Was the student enrolled? Yes. Did the student complete the? No. Did the student have a fellow? No. Continue. In this case, the American Opportunity Tax Credit. Okay. So you can take one, lifetime or American Opportunity Tax Credit. So in this case, American Opportunity Tax Credit is recommended by the software. So we have to take this 1250. Understand? Continue. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, continue. So we don't have any other taxes. We don't have any self-employment taxes or whatever. So we can skip this. payment estimates, we don't have any estimates payments. Okay, one thing I want to show you that okay, continue, skip this as well. Miscellaneous forms, we don't need any this, just skip that. Then we have health insurance, we don't have any health insurance in this scenario, so we have to say no. Continue. State section, Illinois resident. Okay, so we have Illinois return. Federal taxes, retirement subtraction. There are taxable pensions as found on your federal return if some of this income qualify. Yes. Continue. Exit Illinois return. As you can see, we already automatically, it says we file, we fill the information, the software fill the information on the basis of our federal return into our state return. So state Illinois and 1883 we need to pay to the government, right? From federal I got 3,806 federal refund. Continue. AGI is 59775 and federal refund is 3804, right? This is, understand? So what you can do is view print return, you can also do that. The best one is that, right? So view print return. So we have to from here, let me see. So this is state return, right? For example, I just need to federal return. So from 15, right? So 7 till 15. Seven till 15. Save. Vita basic scenario 7. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? So we already downloaded. Now we need to click continue. So it's time to e-file our return. We have already filled the information, as you can see. Bank account number, return details. Bank account number is this. Alright. So we need to information. Continue. State ID not provided. Taxpayer consent. Custom questions, you don't need to. Submission page, taxpayer electronic signature, and spouse, you have to fill this. So federal return is this, and state taxes dues are these. Understand? E-file the complete tax return, make tax return ready for review. Save and exit. Has been successfully submitted for review. So, as you know, ladies and gentlemen, you have just learned the basic scenario 7 of Vita. Understand, ladies and gentlemen, in the next, in the next video, I will teach you the basic scenario, which is this 8. I will teach you this scenario, basic scenario 8, Betuni. Until then, take a very good care of yourself. I'll meet you with the next scenario. In the next scenario. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.